friends. We are the last surviving. We have to find drink in the botellón of the Felicia. We are going to find two tobacco, smoke cigarettes. We are going to search here in the tree.
Excuse me.
Come on.
Escuche, llaves of Sporting de Gijón. Here, let's go, please. Let's go
to the tree. Let's search. We are going to search.
To the navaja, to the laser, behind the Musgo.
Wow! A paquete de Chester. Wow! It have a lot of pitos.
Behind the Musgo.
Some musgo. Musgo is rico. Tiene como 40 proteínas. We have tobacco again. And we don't have mechero. Porque no prende. Hostia, pues tengo un pito en la oreja. We find, tío, no me duches. We find a liter, orange liter. Déjame el mechero, Aida. An orange liter. We found the orange liter behind the Sony Ericsson de Aida.